Hello everyone, it's Val again. Today we are in my bathroom again. We're going to remove this purple hair that you can't see right now. So here's my hair. It is pretty bright purple. We're gonna get rid of it because I think it looks too Halloween-y for going to the whole fall to Thanksgiving to Christmas season. I just don't think purple matches it, and I've had purple for quite a while. I'm gonna say 5 months. So first we're gonna use the color remover. Of course, I went to Sally's to get everything. This is a color fix. I saw a video of a girl removing her red hair with this. Under this, there is a pretty light color. We're gonna try to get it out so we can do a balayage. The goal is to get a pretty natural blonde to silvery blonde balayage rather than a weird purple ombre. I want to look like I have natural tones rather than bright purple. I'm sure I'll get tired of it. After a while, I will change it to another color once I get bored of the blonde, if we even get there. I brought also bleach. This is not a how to remove it without bleach video. I will bleach it if it doesn't turn to what I want after the color fix. We already have an issue. This color fix says it comes with a bowl. There is no bowl in the box. It says you need to act fast, and I have a lot of hair and I was gonna section. I think I'm just gonna have to slap it on. Let me tell you, that smells like egg. I don't know how far up I should go. First part. Watch out! It's turning like the old bluish purple I used to have. It says to apply heat so it works faster, like bleach. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and we'll be back in the time it says to wait. This is not what I expected. It turned blue, which doesn't make any sense because when I had blue hair, I bleached it out before putting the purple, and it was a really light mint green. I don't know what happened. So I'm just gonna go ahead and bleach it. 21. These tactics of bleach. I'm whispering because my parents are home and this is really embarrassing. See what the results are. The last pieces I did at the very top, I'm going to leave them for about 20 more minutes. Besides that, I'm going to wash off the very first pieces I started with. There's some really blonde pieces here. These ends are like white. Ready for this reveal, guys? It turned bright pink. It's not too bad because if I pull from here, nothing happens. So we're gonna drive to Walmart at 10 p.m. to find a good color, and we're gonna give ourselves a little trim, but I am really not ready to cut my hair short yet, so that's what we're gonna do. See you when I get back. I literally forgot to film and I'm already halfway done dyeing my hair. So I'm gonna be doing a voiceover for this part. I do explain in the video what I'm doing, but I was so tired I wasn't making any sense. So I'm sorry if the audio still sucks. I'm working with what I got. So in this part, I'm going to be grabbing the end of a brush and threading it through the hair like you can see in the video. It doesn't have to be perfect, it's just to create some dimension between the colors that we're going to be using. Then we're going to separate the two strands and get ready for the color. The first color is a light ash brown. it will be represented by that red brush. For this first part, we put the light ash brown in the middle area. Then we're going to grab a darker brown color and we're going to blend it between my natural hair color and the pink band. Now I'm using my fingers to blend both colors so there's no harsh lines. Now I'm going back to that first section that we separated from. This one's going to be fully brown all the way through until the ends. We don't touch the ends, they are being toned by Wella T18, I think. Now I join both strands and I add more dark brown to the top part and make sure they are both blended together evenly. That's basically what I do for the rest of my hair. It will be shown a couple more times so you can see. Here is what we have. Almost what I wanted, and purple after I panicked and I took the bleach off. I'm sorry, it's late and everyone's asleep. Lighter than yesterday's. It's looking okay. Honestly, I just don't care at this point. Let's do the same thing as yesterday. Mix the 3 shades and do them by parts. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you liked it. It was a journey for sure. I didn't even get the exact result I wanted. As you can see, like there's pink strands I just can't get rid of. I didn't quite want this pink band going around. I think it just doesn't look quite natural and I was going for a natural look, but you know, it'll do for now until I decide what color I want to do. That is it for now. I am kind of done torturing my hair for a while. See you in the next video.